In this video, I will show you how to use EverTough Disc Brake Caliper toolset. So right here, we have in here this guide on how to use this particular caliper win back tool and see how it can help make your life easier. So here are some options or some parts that it helps with. Pros of using this is you need to ensure first that your vehicle is safely supported by jack stands, then remove the wheel and unbolt the rear clipper. Now, don't let the caliper hang freely as the weight of the caliper puts stress on the brake lines and could damage them. Here you can see how it would look like. Next, prepare the wind back tool and then attach a circular plate to the tool, just like how you can see right here on these pictures. Wind it back and reverse the installation, and that way you should be good to go. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need to do.